Oh, yeah. What's up, nerds?
See if I have anything to...
Identify?
Nope.
Nope. Now look at our stuff.
Yeah, let's see if I picked up anything better. Not really. Is that like a fucking intelligence shield?
It is. Yeah.
The chain destroyer. You can never break the chain.
Lightning skill damage.
31 strength and 36 vitality. That's better in like a lot of ways. It's better in most ways.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
More armor, but less everything.
Oh.
That one kind of equals out, yeah. Boop.
Any rings for me? Nothing. Alright. Okay.
So now that we're 21, we should be able to maybe make some new armor.
Dropped up. Oh, there it was. Drop. I think that's everything. Got no skills, apparently.
Some updated skills.
Condemn. I got condemn.
Massive explosion.
Oh, cool. Sure.
Should check it out. And then the first one has a buff to it. Which is
Increases.
your life on hit.
Cool. Sure. We'll give it a try. What's this? This is my buff boy.
Your buff
I got
boy's
more
got
buff
a buff.
boy.
Increased
Yes.
duration. What's the other one?
I
I mean, what the other version of buff boy is.
Well, active attackers take extra thorn damage. Just makes me invincible for a while.
Yep.
So give me that. What is this? What you got here? More smite.
Smite.
Enemies hit by chains have chance to be immobilized in place short duration. Yeah, sure, why not?
There you go. I don't think I got anything for 21. Wait.
Oh!
Blink. What?
Yeah.
Where the fuck even are these?
Oh, dude. Not mine.
What?
For whatever reason, you're not
I can't
breaking it down?
break these down for some reason?
Maybe it's just too much for one go?
There's a fucking Crusader shield still here?
Yeah.
Bitch, salvage this shit.
And you sell those?
Yeah, we probably can sell them for nothing.
Well, you know.
That is not possible.
Yeah. That's that. Bam. That's not bad. A little less vitality, but that's fine. I don't really need it, but it does more damage. With the 21 hood. Let's see if that does anything. There we go.
We're good. Yeah.
Again, I lose health, but I gain a lot more other stuff, so.
No.
Okay. Bam.
Well, don't you just look like the kingly
Yeah.
sword? Assassin's Creed. Yeah.
Yeah. That was all I got. Yep. And then salvage.
For whatever reason, you can't. Oh.
Okay.
Cool.
All right, I think you can try now.
Tell me about your grandfather.
You talked to him for no reason.
He did what he...
There we go. Oh. I don't know what these are, but
Oh, you have to go train him because you're super low level.
I got Dice of Hawk.
Because go to your... Yeah, you're super low level still.
Am I?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, mostly train him up in armor then.
Alright. This... Sure.
So grab that. Anything else within the 20s that you can grab? There we go. There's some gauntlets and stuff. Helmet, gauntlets. I'm glad that it puts it upside down, so you have to scroll all the way down to the number that you need to be at. Oh, and it changes every time.
Okay, cool.
Awesome.
20... No, it's gone?
I guess.
Okay.
It's cycled out.
Okay.
So I guess just make the armor stuff that you built.
Okay. Jesus Christ. Alright, so let's see.
It was a chest piece and a head piece. So.
Dreaming Curls.
Oh, you have to have shit too. You gotta start breaking down stuff as well.
Okay.
So we'll just break down our own inventories from now on.
Okay. This is fine.
What the fuck do you have on your feet?
Huh? It says boots, dude.
No. Look at what's underneath you.
Oh, I don't know. It's like a...
Get that thing away from me.
Uh,
You have a weird sigil.
yeah, I got a sigil. I do. Holy man.
The
Yeah.
Stranger.
place is safe, but I do not know where the last one has fallen.
I remember a glow streaking towards
When you got that
a fishing
glow,
village.
you feel the
must be
beat.
worth
You got
them.
that soul
Ah,
with the
brilliant,
power
dear
of
Leah. And the ferry will
elevation.
take you there.
Where are you going? Wait. What are you doing? Why
You
did
gotta
you come
talk
in
to the
here?
ferryman. He's just like reading.
What did you come in here for? You
He's just
fucking weird
reading.
old man?
He's like, I'm done. It's cold out. Oh, God.
Ugh. Got stuck behind the mailbox.
Oh,
I have
man.
some new items that I'm certain you will love.
But I-
Silence.
oh.
Thinking. Don't hurt yourself.
Nerd.
Okay.
Parkour.
I
You.
see passage to Wortham.
I will take you, but beware. Smoke rises from the village.
Uh-huh.
They're destroying
Oh
the
my
town.
God.
Get out while you can! Death to those who defy the power!
Smite. Smite.
Corpse.
Please, my family's hiding in the chapel with the rest of the townsfolk. We must get to them.
Don't run off. You'll get yourself killed.
He's gonna get himself killed.
Oh, no.
Hello.
Jesus Christ.
Sword from me. This is bad.
My servants will burn this town to ashes!
There's something coming.
How's that going?
Is that what was coming? Oh,
Look.
nightmares. Get him. Officer's vision.
You saved us. We owe you our lives.
That building was really, really on fire, you guys.
Ooh.
Bam! Look how cool I look now.
Delicious. It's like Hawaiian
There is only
punch.
one thing I would ask of you.
Give me the sword fragment and no one gets hurt!
Have you seen it?
We found it days ago. I wish we'd never brought it here. Come, I left Virgil to guard it. We will be glad to
Oh,
be
no.
rid of it.
I need more power!
God damn it.
Oh, let's go into the burning chapel cellar, shall we?
This is, hello?
It's gone.
While you were on your hero's errand here, I captured all 3 sword pieces and
What?
your friend.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? We've been here 5 minutes!
This.
Alright, let's go fuck a bitch up.
What happened? How could you fuck up so bad?
This guy, Templar,
Yeah, that's the guy.
and Scoundrel.
I guess we go here.
Oh,
It's your choice, Cain. Either use your Herodric arts to repair the sword, or
That's-
your
I guess that's a thing.
dies a horrible death.
what?
The Herodric arts.
All this pain, this destruction. What is the sword to you?
To me, nothing. To my master, Belial, everything.
She just has fucking bugs on her.
Oh,
Ah! Fucking murder everything.
Which is overwhelming, girl.
May the rage of Olympus fuel your
The sword
fury.
cannot be mine. I'll claim the one it's bound to.
Oh no!
The blade
Dude!
shall be mine.
She stole our dude.
You can't die.
Nothing can stop that now.
I guess I'm dying.
There is one last thing I must do. The sword must be made whole.
bleh.
I did it. Bleh.
As I suspected, the sword is of the high heavens. The stranger is an angel. Heed the
This would be a little bit better as like a cutscene.
Yeah.
lies.
It's like the death of one of the biggest characters of the franchise. Because he's been in like all the games.
Oh, yeah?
And then he's just like, oh yeah, this in-game cutscene. he
And
just
he
he just falls over.
Hey, we got a sword.
If only I could control this power, I could have saved him.
If only I had more power.
There were others who were responsible.
Magda and her master Belial. The journal speaks of an angel falling from the heavens as the shadow rises from the abyss. The stranger is the key to all of this.
They're like, what is
So it seems.
this guy? Hey, you say
Talking
something?
shit?
I will
Huh?
search for him.
Huh? Okay, it's fine.
When my power
It's over there.
They're patrolling. It's fine.
saw into
on.
Magda's mind for
Hey,
an instant.
you see anything?
Whispered to the
No.
heavens, "You can
think I heard
use
some, guys. You
things
heard
well
some?
worth 'em."
What's that
What is
noise?
it?
Whose footprints are these?
I love your boys. They're so good. The goodest boys.
Alright, did we pick up stuff?
Oh, God.
I got a new belt.
Yeah, boy.
Can't even tell the difference.
No.
Alright. Go check your stuff and then go fucking tear it apart.
Alright. Cool.
I don't think you picked up anything better.
I've got... Jesus Christ. I got a cord. Hey, dude. I'm supposed to salvage things.
Don't salvage all unless you want to get rid of that fucking... Bink.
Thanks. What is this?
That's for the, That's a separate item for the scoundrel. It's like one of his things. You can
Can
get
just
rid of
break
it.
Thanks.
There we go. See if you can build anything now.
Oh.
In armor. Might have to break down some more stuff. Yeah, you need just a little bit more. So probably next time we do stuff, where's the cellar? I need to fucking...
The cellar? Over here.
Over here.
There's that guy and then this guy.
This guy. Get rid of that shit that I can't break down for some reason.
Collected them from all parts of this world.
The stab deed.
Or you can just drop them to me and I can break them down.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea too. Away!
Yoink, son away!
Unless you can't break them down either.
Oh, that would be some bullshit.
But then that would give you a bit more. It'd give you money, because I don't think our money is shared either.
I have no idea.
Yeah, because I have like 140,000. You only had 50.
There you go. Yeah.
Alright. Boink. So I will drop. Drop.
Eh.
Yeah. There we go.
There you go. Excuse me, boys.
Go.
Hey.
Go break that shit down.
Yes.
Only 3 of them. So get rid of Vigilante Belt and Hell Font and go sell the rest.
Apparently I can equip them?
Well, yeah, but they probably would have intelligence.
True. Thanks.
Oh, no.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Alright. We can have you sell that shit. And then we'll just keep our own inventories and repair and sell what we get.
Alright.
I suppose business will pick
Sell.
up now that the Skeleton King is dead.
Okay. Pachoop, 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 pachoop. Pachoop.
Got like nothing. There we go.
Alright, cool.
Alrighty. Now, do you think
Should probably maybe repair.
he had one thing in here?
Yeah.
And then just press square. There we go.
What in the burning hells is happening around here?
Oh, his house is shut.
She's dead in there.
He's just still just lying on the floor. Where are them?
Oh. Hello?
Hello. Your town has gotten fucked up, I hear. Now, where are the hordes of Diablo?
Yo, you got gold?
Yeah, whenever we pick up gold, we both pick it up.
Wappa.
Wata!
Atta!
Spiders.
That is not possible.
Apparently don't go through
I must have a corpse.
it. It's spitters. Ooh, look. Big spitters.
They're bigger.
Mine's bigger.
Go the other way. This place looks to be the way we need to go.
Okay.
Let's see if there's another way over here.
Step on eggs.
I'm afraid not.
Spitters come out. Oh.
Spitters. Oh.
Oh. There's like a shard or something?
Oh, that must be underneath that one building, I guess?
Oh, is that where we picked up the dude?
No. The dude was, like, more up north. Because we're, like, south of the map. Get them, my dudes.
Hey, dudes.
You look like a zombie, old man. Oh, you're a
My
crazed hermit.
queen sings to me. Her music echoes from beyond.
Awesome.
Cool. We're gonna go kill her, probably.
Yeah, fuck your queen.
That's what I'm gonna do.
I can bring that down.
You get smite. You get smite. You get smite.
Whoa. Ruby.
There you are.
I can't talk. Hello.
Just pieces
Place is
of
gross.
ambience. Mm. Yeah.
So I'm guessing it's a spider queen.
I guess.
taking a little guesstimate here.
With all the eggs everywhere. You know, you're like, I don't know why she get...
Dusty babe.
I used to be one of the
Look.
ordinary, untouched, until her voice came to me. Then I knew how I must serve. I must kill the one who threatens my mistress and the dark power that created her. I have been chosen.
What's this here?
Hmm?
It's like a elevator or something?
What?
No, this is... Okay. I was looking at the mini-map and there's a little marker.
Oh, that's one of those experience or health ups
Ah!
or
You thought
know.
you could sneak up on me. How very much dare you? Okay. Let's go this way. Yeah.
Hello?
Oh no. Dude.
Give me my bones.
No, I need a corpse.
Huh. Eh. Hello.
I cannot do that.
There we go, this way.
Yeah, let's go.
Look, little splitters. Fuck you, bitch.
Thing.
Oh, Embers. I am Swishshwash.
Eh.
Ooh. Hello? Egg sick.
This looks like the way to go. So take this little side path. Might not lead anywhere. Ugh.
I cannot do that.
Time to test my skill.
Damn you, jailer!
Yeah. Or this was the way to go. Who cares?
We'll just go back. No big deal. Get some light.
Boink.
Fucking dare you to come up here, nerds.
Eh.
You didn't like that, did you?
Hello?
Chancellor Eamon, it is of the utmost importance that we secure my manor from the traitorous rabble in Tristram. The caves to the east are too close to my land. They must be blocked, completely obstructed. I believe the Archbishop Lazarus has magically bound some arachnids of late. They may serve us well.
Oh,
You make a fine corpse. cannot
Fucking
do that.
dead. Ah, shit.
Ah.
Oh god. Squelchy. Oh my god, this place.
This place is big.
Just keeps going.
Eh.
Yes. My smite. These little tiny spiders. Little spiders. Oh, you fucking bitch.
Another dead end.
Royal Guard, with great pain, I must admit that our king is no longer able to separate reason from madness. He orders the caverns to be filled with the Archbishop's monstrous creations, and will hear nothing else.
Oh, they connected
Perhaps
here.
the legendary ancients themselves once dwelled there, but now we must desecrate their ruins.
Ah! Give me your bone, spider, because that makes sense.
You're kiting. Oh.
Decay and rot.
Dear Lord.
Hello. Just keeps going.
Yeah. Never end.
Eh.
No. An interesting I require a corpse for that.
Yeah. Fuck you. You get smite.
Do that.
Parkour.
Look out here. Whew.
Wow, another dead end.
Yeah. We have like a map, maybe?
Where's the mini map?
Yeah.
What do you think you're doing? Another dead end. We're running out of places to go.
Get out here.
Shit. I can't remember.
I need to go back.
Nope. No. Ooh. There we go.
Just
Probably
this
down
other
that way.
There's down that way, then to our right.
Let's
There's a
check
little
over
bit
here real
here.
quick. I don't think there's a way to go, just because it didn't look like it. Oh, maybe.
Look at that.
There we go.
Jesus Christ.
We found it.
This is
My
gonna keep...
mistress has accepted
How the-
me. Come
how-
close and feel her loving embrace.
You're gonna turn to a spitter.
That was not going to end well.
He didn't even turn into a spider. It's just he had a spider in him, like a fucking xenomorph.
Like, what do you get out of this, honestly?
I don't know. He gets to die. Which I'm guessing might be a good thing for some people.
You wanna go look at that open area? Hello?
Not a lot of gear here. It's just spiders. Oh,
Help
hello.
me. It's horrible. She sucks the innards from her victims. Oh, no. No. It's too late. I hear her. The Spider Queen is coming.
Spider Queen?
Go. Ah. Oh. Yes. Give me bodies. Thank you for giving me ammunition, Spider Fiend.
Each gets hammers. Fire!
To dissolve these beasts. Please hurry. I can't hang here like this a moment longer. I'll go mad.
Right.
Full of venom.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Can we please leave this horrible place?
Well, we're kind of in the middle of something, but sure, we'll do what you want to do.
Oh, I guess she's opening it. There we go.
Yeah.
To the Highlands Crossing.